Pag-usapan natin ang closing cost para hindi ka nagugulat pag bumibili ng bahay. Kasi kabayan sa Canada, hindi lang down payment ang kailangan mo. May tinatawag din tayong closing cost at napakarami nagtatanong kung ano ito at magkano. Usually, nasa between 1.5% to 4% ng purchase price ng bahay. So, for example, kung ang bahay na gusto mo ay worth 400,000, ang closing cost mo ay maaaring nasa $6,000 to $16,000. Bakit ang laki ng difference? Dahil magkakaiba ito per province at depende rin sa specific na fees na applicable sa iyo. So, saan nga ba napupunta ang mga closing cost na ito? Number 1, legal fees. This is between $1,000 to $3,000 depende sa lawyer at complexity ng transaction. Next ay home inspection. This is between $400 to $600. Ito ay optional pero recommended. Next ay appraisal fee. This is between $300 to $500 kung required ng lender. Next ay title insurance. This is between $250 to $500. This is one-time cost. Next, property tax adjustments, utility hookups, at moving cost. It varies per case and again per province. At ito na ang malaking difference. Land transfer tax. Ito, depende ito sa province. Okay? For example, sa Ontario, BC, at Manitoba, may land transfer tax dyan. Sa Alberta at Saskatchewan naman, walang land transfer tax. Pero, merong land titles transfer fee at mortgage registration fee, and it usually costs a few $100. Okay? So, habang nag-iipon ka, hindi lang dapat down payment ang ibabudget mo. Maglaan ka rin ng 1.5% to 4% for closing costs para ready ka at hindi ka kabado. Again, depende ulit yan sa province, ha? Ako si Sally, your licensed mortgage Pinay, ready to guide you every step of the way.